Hi there, Tweetie here. We have links down in the description. We have playlists and single videos for you. The smoothie trend is definitely proven that it is not just a passing fad. Most of us love a good smoothie recipe. Smoothies are a great way to get in those extra vitamins and minerals that we all need, and it's a great way to treat high blood pressure. Trust me, you can make an amazing green smoothie and probably save a bit of money too. Our green smoothies feature only plants that are grown in our medicinal prepper garden and one of our fruit trees. Having a green smoothie for breakfast, or for any time for that matter, instead of a heavy breakfast that is hard on my heart, is a good way to fuel my body properly and help lower my blood pressure. Smoothies can be delicious and taste like a real treat. Into the juicer we put 1 cucumber, toss in a green apple, a half a cup of each of fresh turnip greens, fresh spinach, and romaine. Add a carrot and either 4 stalks of celery or lovage. Add a half a cup of lemon balm and end with a half a cup of Berkey filtered water. Then pour it all into a regular blender filled with 4 to 6 ice cubes and blend until the juice sparkles from the ice chips, but that it is still good and thick. Pour into glasses and top off with a couple of dashes of either Tweetie's favorite green pepper Cholula or BirdDog's favorite Chipotle Tabasco. One mistake I made early in my smoothie experiences was not having a proper equipment. Let everyone else rave about the Vitamix blenders, but we happen to love our Hamilton Beat juicer. Another reason we love our green smoothies is, besides knowing the food is fresh from our garden and that we can use the pulp to make gluten-free muffins, breads, and pancakes. If enough of you like us to share those recipes, we'll work on it. For Tweetie's secret stuff tip, try one of my favorite smoothie tips by adding in some pea protein powder, which creates a well-balanced meal plan and replacement, which in turn can help one lose weight and reduce that high blood pressure. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you want more from us, subscribe, ring the bell so you'll get notified every time. Thanks for dropping by. Angels all around. Oh yes, give us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Bye now.